Namaste everyone. I'm Vineet from Kolte Patil Developers. So today the purpose of recording this video is, as all you know, we are going through the same situation because of the global pandemic. Now it has become impossible for our clients to visit the actual sites. So just a small try from our end, wherein we will be presenting our projects online or virtually, you can rather say, with the clients with the small presentations, so that you and your clients can have a brief idea about our project and it can make our job easier. So today I am presenting the project which is located in Baner, a very prominent location of Pune, which is well connected to the national highway number 4 as well as main Baner road. The project name is 20 Sereno. I hope you would like this presentation. If you have any query, then definitely you can reach me out. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Yeah, hi guys. So as I said, the project name is 20 Sereno. The project is being developed by Now Reality and is being promoted and marketed by Kolte Patil Developers. This is the Maharera registration of the project. We have uploaded all the necessary documents on the Maharera website. You can have a look at it as well. So this is the location map of this property. This is the site location. So it is very nearby from the national highway number 4. This is Pune Bengaluru highway, and very nearby from the Baner road as well. This is the Google Earth view, wherein you can see those arrows. So one arrow you can see it is that road is going towards the national highway number 4. Another arrow which is shown, that road is going towards the Baner, and this is the location of building E. This is the actual work progress at site. So you can see the frontage of the project. This road is already developed. So these photographs we have clicked on 2nd of May 2020. So the front building which you can see is building A, and after that building B, then C, then D, and there is a clubhouse after that, and there is a building building E coming up. So as I said, this is the key plan. A building which was just in front of the road, so that is building A, B, C, D, then there is a clubhouse, and then this is building E. So as I said, this project is having a very close proximity from Mumbai Bangalore highway. It has very renowned schools, colleges, parks, hospitals, and Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, which is located in Hinjawadi. So it is in a close proximity. Again, the Ballywood High Street is also very close, max 5 minutes drive from the project. If you say about the shopping outlets, then the Pavilion Mall, which is in Shivaji Nagar, it's hardly 10 to 15 minutes drive. Then Western Mall, which is in Naund, it's 10 minutes drive. Then Fab India, again ON, that is Organic and Natural, which is again initiative by Kolte Patil Developers, which gives organic items. It is also very nearby, which is located in Aund. Let's see about the renowned restaurants. Then JW Marriott is 15-20 minutes away from the project. Little Italy, the Urban Factory, Nawab, and many more good world-class restaurants in the nearby locality. If you say about the medical care, in Jupiter Hospital, Aditya Birla Hospital, Sancheti Clinic, which is in Shivaji Nagar, Aund Chest Clinic, Medipoint Hospital, which is now, are also in nearby vicinity. Educational institutes, we have got Rabindranath Tagore School of Excellence, Indus School, Vidya Valley School, Savitribai Phule University of Pune, Symbiosis International University, Nikmar and Midcon in the nearby vicinity. So this location is considering the daily essential needs, the daily things that we require in day-to-day life. So everything is available in the nearby location. So in amenities, again we have got a community hall, then multi-purpose court, leisure pool with the sunken bar, wedding pool, swimming pool, indoor gymnasium, then barbecue and dining pavilion, mood lounge with the Wi-Fi, activity terrace, power backup for the common areas, landscape lights, intercom facility, then organic farm area, children's play area. So 80% of this amenities part is already functional. People are already enjoying those amenities. Let's talk about the specifications. The material that we are using in this particular project, definitely it is of a very good and standard quality. If you see about the internal specifications, then mainly into the kitchen, we are providing complete setup, right from kitchen trolleys to cabinets to hob to chimney, everything. Again, laminated doors, you know, door frames for all toilets and dry balcony, many you know good things, AC points, Wi-Fi provision, then designer dodo tiles up to lintel level, everything that is as per the you know a luxury product that offers. These are some government prerequisites. So we have got IGBC pre-certified platinum rated project. We have got this award. We have a water efficient fixtures in this project. We have facilities for rainwater harvesting. We have usage of low volatile organic compound paints, sewage treatment plant and waste management. Our STP is already functional. Then our buildings are well planned. And it has a very good orientation, and it has designed in such a way that it can reduce the heating effect. We have maximum natural light usage, reducing energy consumption. Then local, regional and recycled material we have preferred for the construction, eco-friendly initiative. We have got solar water heating system innovations that tap energy from sun. Then we have got a very nice we have designed our floor plan such a way that we'll get a very good ventilation to all the spaces within the apartment and within the society. We have planted the native trees as well in the society to maintain the greenery. Let's see the floor plan of this particular apartment. So if you see at the lobby, it's 5.7 by 4.5, a very good size of the lobby which we are providing with every apartment. Living dining, if you see, it's 22.4 by 14.9 square feet. Another one of the unique point of this particular project, that we have got sit out along with living only. You go to any floor or you choose any apartment, we have a sit out along with the living only. If you see the kitchen, then kitchen we have got 11.8 by 11.8 along with the dry balcony of 3.10 by 9.3. Then there is a common bedroom that is 11 by 13.4. Then another bedroom that is 12 by 13.4 with attached WC of 5 by 8.6. The third and the master bedroom is again a very lavish and is having a very good size, that is 11.6 by 14.11 with attached WC of 5.6 by 5.6. So this flat which I am explaining is of around 1438 square feet carpet. So we have different sizes right from 1423 square feet till 1503 square feet in 3 BHKs. If you say about the directions, then our directions of the apartments are exactly east and west, which we have designed as per the Vastu. So you choose any apartment, we have entry exit at east and west only. So this is a flat number 2 on the even floor. This is flat number 3 of the even floor. This is flat number 4. So there are few apartments of 3 BHKs wherein we have given two terraces with the apartment. So area of this particular apartment which has two terraces is 1503 square feet carpet. So this is one of the apartment which has got two terraces that you can see. This is the another layout of the 4 BHK apartment. So we have got very limited 4 BHK apartments in this particular project. You can just go through the layout. Then let's discuss about the floor plan. So on each floor we have got four apartments which are having perfectly east and west entry exit along with two lifts and two staircases. And it has a very spacious lobby between the apartments. Then some of the key highlights of this project. This project is being constructed in approx 7.5 acres of the land parcel. Currently there are 180 families. We have already handed over three buildings in which 180 families are already staying, and our 80% amenities are already functional. People are already enjoying these amenities. Then this location is it comes under Pune Municipal Corporation. So we have no issues regarding to the water shortage or the under construction roads. So all then the electricity, all these challenges that we don't have to face as it comes in the municipal corporation. Again, as I said, the project is being developed by Now Reality, and the strategic marketing partner is Kolte Patil Developers. So this is the RERA number that we have already discussed. So thank you so much for your valuable time. If you have any queries regarding this project, then surely you guys can get back to us, and we can discuss it further. Thank you so much for your valuable time.